Hello guys, hope you are fine, and today I'm going to share one feature and I'm sure this is going to help you a lot if you use this, if you know how to use it. If you know this is going to help you a lot. So I'll tell you what exactly is it. The topic is how to import or export any template from one website to another in Elementor in WordPress, right? So the Elementor is an editor. I'm sure you are aware of that. So I'm using Elementor in this website. So I'll tell you exactly what we need to do and what we can do, and that is going to help you a lot. And I call it's a kind of reusable module. You might have heard, if you are from the programming background, object oriented programming, you might have heard reusable module. So it's a kind of reusable module, but it's it's a kind of inter website or intra website. You can also use, of course, but I'll tell you. For an example, I have this website, right? And in this website I have this specific section, our team, right? So from this website I just want to export it to the different website. So how we can do this, so I'll let you know. So it is already open. I'll tell you for that what we need to do. I have already just opened that. This is the entire section, right? This is just one section, container actually, and inside that container all these things, headings, subheadings and images, right? All these things are there. So what you need to do, I'll tell you. First you need to save this template properly, and for that at the top of the container you need to right click on this and save as template. And I'll name it like team member section. Okay, this is the name of the template, and I'll save it. I have saved it, though, this one, team member section, and we can preview it. If you just want to preview, you can just preview it. It's there. From here, in the end you will see 3 dots are there. You can just click on it and there will be an option export. So you can just simply export it and it's going to export there, right? So I'll show you. It is where did it go? It might have gone to here, this place, and I'll rename it just to identify that this is the name of the, and the extension will be JSON, right? So team member dot JSON. So this is what I have already downloaded, and now what I need to do, this is my second website. See, the URL is different. Here in the bottom I just want to place it here. So what I'll do, I'll just need to go into the Elementor editor. So I'll just click on it and I'll show you. Here I just want to add it. But before that I need to import the template, right? So importing the template, what I need to do, I'll tell you what exactly I need to do. I need to go to this dashboard, right? This is the dashboard, home dashboard, and on the left hand side you will see many options are there. I'm sure you are familiar with all these things. So there will be one option, template, right? So you need to hover over it and just click on saved template. Once you click on save template, you will get this kind of option, add new template, import template, right? So if you click on add new template, so it will add within the website, but we need to import it. And I'll just click on choose, and this one I just needed to upload. Okay, so it is attached. Now I need to import it. A warning will show that JSON might be unsafe or all these things. Of course, this is just a warning from Elementor built-in function. So I'll just continue it, and it is there now. And if you click on this, I'll show you. Here is the team is there, and some important thing I'll let you know, that it could be that styling like CSS or some specific function. I have just mentioned everything in the bottom also, that things to keep in mind: the compatibility, make sure the website using version, Elementor version should be same. Styling dependency could be one of the issues there. So the CSS or third party widgets, all these things could be an issue, because if you see that the background of this HARE spectator is here, you see it's blue, I mean very light sky blue kind of, but we can manage that. But at least the entire structure is already imported, right? So it is imported there, and now what we need to do here, as I said, that here we need to import it. So what we can do, there is a plus and there is a add template. If we click on add template, this library will open, page and my template. Now this one needs to be inserted, right? I have just applied it, and see, I'll just scroll it down and see this is there. I'll just publish it and I'll check it. Everything is there, right? A few things you might have noticed that this color is different, so its styling is important. It did not import the styling, I'll tell you. The entire thing, if it was coding, it certainly could have imported everything, but here I'll tell you that slightly modification, like background color, you will see this thing. On the left hand side you will find this thing. If you click on this individual thing, and content, style and advance, so the background, this is the background color. You can just copy it from here, and where is our, here it is. I'll show you example, and the same way we can do, we need to go to the background, and here we can just place this, see, right? So on every single, since it is in that way that every background is the same, so you can do in this way, right? Or this is also one of the things that you can color the whole background as well, like this is a different section and this is the different section. So if we click on that, here is also, you can do that from this place also. You can do, change the background like this, the same way from this place, background, you can change that, right? And you can just customize all these things. So this is how you can do import and export. We can just make a space also, exactly we can do that. So many things are there. You can just give the padding for that, or the space between this gap, you can increase the gap from 20 to 50 or anything, right? So this is, we have learned that how we can import from one website to another, right? So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe also, right? Thank you so much. If you have any doubt about this thing, you can put it place right in the comment box also, right? Thank you so much guys, thank you so much.